Hi guys, so I wanted to make a quick review on a protein powder. I went and got this Eas soy protein powder. This is my first time using this product. It says here that it has 20 grams of protein. I have not tried this before, so I don't know. It was really cheap. I paid $9 for this. So we'll see if I like it. The down thing that I've seen here is that it has 17 grams of sugar, which I don't know how this is going to taste, but we'll see. So it says here that you need 1 scoop for water, so I have my water in here. So let's check it. Check. See how this works. Okay, so I think that it's all done. We'll see how it tastes. So here's I don't know. It tastes like a little vanilla to me. It's alright, I think. Nothing great about this, but it's not bad. I mean, I think it's pretty smooth. It's not thick or nothing like that. So, cheers!